This is to confirm that yes, it's true that my account was demonetized today, January 29, 2024. Totoo po, na-demonetize po yung account ko today dahil po sa serious violence. It's violence and incitement doon po sa comment ko sa isang live, which is supposedly I need to delete that. Sa Facebook po yung delete nun. And one of the example of those word na sinabi ko is sharing instructions to make use weapon and go serious injuring or killing people. It's threatening. Using language to promote or encourages serious violence. Nakapabilang po yung word na yun, which is supposedly just for fun, pero nagkamali po ako doon. Nagkaroon po ako ng profile has some issues, which leads to my demonetization. It's true na na-demonetize po yung account ko. Yung personal account ko po, personal profile ko. And restriction sa monetization, it includes po dun sa stars. So, my personal account won't be able to receive stars dahil sa demonetization na pinataw sa akin. And of course, yung branded content. So, nawala rin po yun. Community standards violation. And nagkaroon din siya ng unoriginal content. So, lahat ng violation po is lumabas dahil dun sa comment na yun. And with that, naaapektuhan po yung aking profile recommendation. So, to be honest, yung nag-comment doon is yung page ko. Pero lahat ng violation, pinataw doon sa personal account ko. Pinataw doon sa personal profile ko. In short, sinalo ng personal profile ko yung violation ng page ko. So, sa page ko, walang problema. Walang demonetization na nangganap. Only on my personal profile account, nagkaroon ng demonetization. So, para hindi maapektuhan yung page ko dahil sa multiple violation na pinataw ni Meta, so I decided na to turn off the professional dashboard ng personal profile account ko po. So sa lahat, always be careful sa ginagamit na words natin, especially sa comment section. Strictly regulated ni Meta ang mga comment sections that it won't hurt someone or anyone or it won't threaten someone's life. So always be careful, not just for someone's life, but then for everything. So be careful. The technology of Meta is very strict. So, automatically, I was demonetized. Again, doon sa personal profile account ko at hindi po naapektuhan yung page ko, luckily. So, always be careful po sa mga sinasabi natin, especially sa comment section. Strict po si Meta doon. So, always be careful. Always be vigilant sa pinatype natin. So, if we have the chance to delete kung ano yung sinabi natin, na if sa tingin natin, it will violate the community standards rules ni Meta, then after mabasa, you can delete it. But then, make sure that it's not harmful na message or no term ang gagamitin natin sa comment section. Para hindi po kayo matulad sa personal account ko na demonetize. Which is luckily, hindi ko naman talaga ginagamit yun for reals. But siguro luckily, naka-on yung professional dashboard ko doon sa personal account ko. So yung violation ng page ko is doon pinataw lahat sa personal account ko, which turns into demonetization. So, laging mag-ingat po. So, thank you everyone sa mga concern. Thank you sa mga message. But my page is okay. It's just that yung personal account ko lang po talaga. But that's fine. Okay, so just enjoy and have a good day.